Hello everyone and welcome in your maths class. Today I am going to continue our chapter number 14 and the name of the chapter is factorization. So children, in previous video we have seen the introduction of this chapter as well as exercise 14.1. Now today we have to start exercise 14.2. Okay, so in this exercise we have to use identities. That identities I have discussed already in our previous video. So let's see the sums based on identities. So exercise 14.2. Our question number first is factorize the following expressions. First is a square plus 8a plus 16. Now in this question you have to identify that the question we have to do by which method. I told you there are different methods, like first method common factor method and second one is regrouping method, that we already discussed. But if you see here that this question is also factorize, but here not mentioned that you have to factorize this expression by which method. So you have to identify it, like here a square plus 8a plus 16. So here what you are observing, there is no common variable or constant among these three. अगर कुछ common नहीं है, that means we can't use common factor method. Okay, then second one method we have regrouping method. So in regrouping method at least 4 terms should be required, but here are only 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3. It means this sum we can't do with regrouping method. So now for this we have to apply our third method, that is identities method. Okay, so a square plus 8a plus 16. So here we learn that there are 4 identities are given: a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square and x plus a into x plus b. So here we have to see that which identity is applicable for this. Okay, like here a square plus 8a plus 16. So here both having plus sign, that means plus identity we have to apply. Then first we write this question in the form of identity. First we have to convert it, like a square. So a square is the square of a किसका स्क्वायर होगा? a का. Then plus according to the identity it is 2ab. So in the center 2. What is a here? A is a. Then we have to identify b. Now how we can identify b? We have to see the square root of this number. Here number is 16. So square root of 16 is 4, because 4 4s are 16. So in the middle it comes 2ab. So 2a is a here and b is 4. So 2 into a into 4 plus 4 square. 4 square because 4 4s are 16. So if we solve it again like a square, so we get a square, then 2 into 4 8a and 4 square, that is 16. That means this one get converted into the form of this identity, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal a plus b whole square. So this one given in the expanded form, we have to write it in short form. Means इस form में ये given है, then we have to write it in this form. That means a plus b whole square. So what is a here? A is a, and what is b here? B is 4. So we have a plus 4 whole square, which is our answer. Okay, now let's see its second. Our second problem is p square minus 10p plus 25. Now here again we have to convert it in the form of identities. So p किसका स्क्वायर होगा बेटा? p, when we do the square of p then we get p square. So P, then bracket square, then minus sign, then 2AB. So 2A is P and B is 25 is the square of 5. आपको बेटा A मिलेगा फर्स्ट टर्म से एंड B फ्रॉम लास्ट टर्म स्क्वायर रूट करने के बाद. ओके, सो P स्क्वायर रूट इज P एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 25 इट इज 5, क्योंकि हम 5 का स्क्वायर करते हैं तो क्या मिलेगा हमें 25. दैट्स वाई हियर P स्क्वायर माइनस 2AB. So A is P and B is 5. So 2 into P into 5 plus 5 square. Now this one in the form of this identities. So it comes A minus B whole square because here minus sign. So our identity is A minus B whole square. So it converted into P minus 5 whole square. We put the value in this identity. So this is our required answer. So in this way you have to solve this type of questions. Now let's see, it's this one. Here you have given L plus M whole square minus 4LM. Now this one is given in the bracket. So first always we solve the bracket. So L plus M whole square, that means we can apply which identity? Yes, identity first, A plus B whole square. So A plus B whole square, that means A square plus 2AB plus B square. So what is A here? We have to compare this one. So A is L and B is M. So now we have to put the value of A and B in this identity. Okay, so A square, that means L square plus 2AB, that means 2 into L into M, because A is L and B is M, plus B square, that means M square. Okay, so in this identity we put the value of L and M. Now this 4LM is outside the bracket, so we write it as it is minus 4LM. Now we know we can add or subtract the like terms. So here 4LM minus 2LM, because here minus sign. So we get L square minus 2LM plus M square. 4 is greater, so sign of minus. Now this one again convert in the identity form, that means A square minus 2AB plus B square, which is equal to A minus B whole square. So A is L and B is M. So our answer is L minus M whole square. Okay. So now this type of questions you have to solve in this way using these identities. Now let's see, it's question number 2. Now our question 2 is again same. It is given as factorize. But how to factorize? According to the question. So here you have given first one 4p square minus 9q square. Now both having a square, that means we can use identity third, that is A square minus B square. Now what is A square minus B square? A square minus B square, it is equal A minus B into A plus B. Okay, in this identity we have to convert it. So first of all you have to find what is A and what is B. तो आपको क्या करना है, स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना है, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 इज 2 बिकॉज वी नो 2 into 2 4 and square root of 9 is 3 because 3 into 3 it is 9. So 4p square we can write as 2p its whole square. Why whole square? Because square of 2 also and square of p also. Same way 9q square, that means square of 3q whole square. Okay, now this one is in the form of this identity Here what is A? Compare. A is 2P. Okay, and what is B? B is 3Q. Okay, now A and B compare. So we put the value here, that is A minus B. So 2P minus 3Q and A plus B. So 2P plus 3Q. You can write minus first or plus first, anyone, because they are in the form of product. किसी को भी आप पहले लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so in this way we get our answer. Okay, now let's see its second one. Its second one, again you have given in the form of square. Okay, 63a square minus 112b square. But here we know 63 is not, we cannot get the square root of 63 and we cannot get the square root of 112. So what we have to do first? First we have to find the common factor. पहले हम इन दोनों में से जो कॉमन है that one we have to write it outside the bracket. Okay, so 7 is common in both because 7 nines are 63 and 7 into 16 112. So we are taking 7 common. So 7 comes outside the bracket. Here what is left? 9 because 7 nines are 63. So 9a square is left. This minus sign, and here left 16 because 16 sevens are 112. So 16b square. Now again this one in the form of identity. Okay, because square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 16 is 4. So this one again is in the form of identities. Okay, now we write 7 outside the bracket, then 3a square minus 4b square. So this one is in the identity form of a square minus b square. So we put the value in this identity, that is one time it comes in minus and second time is in plus. So what is a here? 3a, and what is b? 4b. But here 7 also. So that 7 we write it outside the bracket, then we write 3a plus 4b and 3a minus 4b, okay, which is our required answer. So next one is also same. In this also you take first common factor and then use this identity. Okay, now let's see next question. Question number 3rd. In third question, again you have given factorize the expression, but in this question, questions are given mixed. Some are given which is in the form of common factor, in some you can use identity method. Okay, so you have to identify by which method you can apply it. So first one we have given ax square plus bx. So here we know we can take x common. So first we have to find the factors of ax square, which is equal a into x into x. Then what are the factors of bx? It is b into x. Now in this two, what is common? X is here also and x is here also. So we take x common and left here ax, which comes inside the bracket, plus b. Okay, so this is our remaining answer. Okay, then second one also same. In third also you can use common factor method. Then in fourth you have to use regrouping method because 4 terms are there. I told you when 4 terms are given, then you can use regrouping method, that I already explained you in previous video. So same is given here. This two we take it in first group and this one in the second group. In this two m square is common and left a plus b, and here n square is common. So plus n square and left a plus b. Now both the brackets comes equal, it means it is correct? So now we take a plus b common, and in second bracket m square plus n square, which is our answer. So in this way you have to solve this question. Now question number 4th. In 4th question, again question name is factorize. So now let's see how to do it. Now here first one you have given a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Now we don't have any formula in which power is 4. Okay. So we have formula of a square minus b square. Square formula we have, but we don't have any formula which has power 4. So what we have to do? First we convert this a to the power 4 in the form of a square. Okay. So we know we can write this a to the power 4 in this way, that is a square then whole square. So it means bracket means multiply. So this 2 into 2 again multiply. So it becomes a to the power 4. Similarly, this also 2 and 2 get multiply and we get b to the power 4. So this one we write it in the form of bracket. Now we can apply this identity a square minus b square. So here a square minus b square we know, it means a plus b into a minus b. But here what is a? अब ये पूरा a होगा, ठीक है, बिकॉज इसका भी स्क्वायर है. ओके, सो हियर a इज a square and b is b square. So we have to write a plus b and a minus b. So we write a square minus b square and in second bracket a square plus b square. But this one again is in the form of identity, that is a square minus b square. So we write a minus b into a plus b, and second bracket a square plus b square, that one we have to write as it is because there is no this type of identity. So this is our answer. Okay, so in this way first you have to convert it in the form of identity and then you have to solve. Like here p to the power 4, so we write it in the same way, p square its whole square. In 81 we write it as 9 square. Now again we can apply identity third, that is a square minus b square. Okay. Now this one, here two brackets are given, so that one again we convert it in the same form, square form. So this complete is a and this complete is b, that means a minus b and a plus b. So this one comes x minus y plus z and x plus y plus z. Okay, and this one is in plus, so this comes as it is. As this is in minus, so here we again applying identity, so we get it this one time in minus and one time in plus. Means if power is 4, then 2 times we have to apply the same identity, that is identity number third. Okay. So this one, fourth question is based on this identity. Now question number 5th. Question number 5th is again factorize the following expression. Now children, you have to see here all the questions are in the form factorize the expression. So I told you how to identify them. So here 3 terms. Now first we have to see, can we do it by common factor method? No, because no common variable or constant here. Then regrouping? No, because these are 3 terms. Then third one is identity method. So that one also we cannot apply here because 8 is not the square of any number. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, ये तीनों मेथड से नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव टू अप्लाई आवर फोर्थ मेथड. अब फोर्थ मेथड क्या है बेटा? स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म. ठीक है, दिस इज आवर फोर्थ मेथड. इन दिस मेथड वी हैव टू स्प्लिट आवर मिडिल टर्म. मिडिल टर्म को हमको स्प्लिट करके लिखना है. मीन्स आइदर इज इन प्लस और इन माइनस. अब करना क्या है इन दिस मेथड? फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस लास्ट नंबर. ठीक है, लास्ट में आपको जो नंबर दिया है उसके फैक्टर्स फाइंड करना है. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द फैक्टर इन दिस वे कि अगर आप उसका प्रोडक्ट करते हैं तो आपको ये नंबर मिलना चाहिए, और सेम नंबर इफ़ यू ऐड देन यू विल गेट द मिडिल टर्म. ठीक है, मीन्स फैक्टर किस टाइप से होना चाहिए कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने पर आपको लास्ट नंबर मिले, और आइदर एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन, ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर आपको मिडिल टर्म मिले. सो वी आर टेकिंग द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 8 एज 4 into 2 because we know 4 2s are 8 and 4 plus 2 6 means हमें दोनों नंबर्स मिल रहे हैं. सो आवर नंबर्स आर 4 and 2. Okay, so this middle term we split it into two parts as a 4 and 2. So first one and last term we write as it is, only we have to split the middle term. That's why this method name is splitting the middle term. So p square plus 6p means 2p plus 4p because these two are the factors plus 8. अब आपको यहाँ से समझ में आ रहा है these are 4 terms. Then which method we can apply here? Yes, regrouping method. So first we find the group of this two and this two. So here p square plus 2p. So what is common in this? Here p is common. So left here p plus 2 which comes inside the bracket. Then plus here what is common? 4 because 4 comes in 8 table also. 4 2s are 8. So 4 is common and bracket p plus 2 because 4 2s are 8. Now p plus 2 is same. So p plus 2 comes common, and in second bracket left is p plus 4. So our answer is p plus 2, p plus 4. Okay. So same is the next one. In next one you have q square minus 10q plus 21. So here first you have to find the factor of 21. So 21 factor means the product of two numbers should be 21 and their addition or subtraction should be 10. So that type of number is 7 and 3 because 7 3s are 21 and 7 plus 3 it is 10. But here sign is minus. Okay, remember the sign. So here sign minus but we are doing plus. That's why both the numbers we have to take it in minus because we know minus minus plus but sign of minus. That's why we are taking q square minus 7p minus 3q plus 21. Okay. Now these are 4 terms. So we take it the group of 2 2. Here q is common, left q minus 7. Here 3 is common but minus sign. So we know if outside the bracket minus sign then inside the bracket sign will change. That's why here sign becomes minus, and 3 7s are 21. 3 is common here. So 3 comes outside and left q minus 7. So these two brackets are same. So that one comes common q minus 7 and second bracket that is q minus 3 which is our required answer. So okay, in this way you have to solve this exercise. Now let's see exercise 14.3. Okay. Now in this exercise you have to use division. Okay, आपको डिवाइड करना है. डिवाइड मोनोमियल बाय मोनोमियल, बाइनोमियल बाय मोनोमियल और डिवाइड पोलिनोमियल बाय मोनोमियल और बाइनोमियल. So there are different types of sums. So let's see how to do their division. Our first question is carry out the following division. So here you have given 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x means 28x to the power 4. ये क्या है? सिंगल टर्म, दैट इज मोनोमियल. एंड 56x, it is again monomial. Both are monomial, that means we have to divide monomial by monomial. तो first of all क्या करना है आपको? You have to find the factors of the given expression. Okay, तो आप 28x to the power 4. So what are the factors of 28? It is 2 2 is 4, 4 7 is 28. ये आप कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं बेटा? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से, LCM मेथड, HCF है ना, हम फैक्टर्स फाइंड करते हैं, ये वही है. सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 28 इज 2 into 2 4, 4 7 is 28, and x to the power 4, that means x we have to write how many times? 4 times. Okay, then second one is 56x. So 56 factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, and x here 1 times, so multiplied by x. This is multiplication sign and this is x. Okay, now our question is 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x. So upside we have to write 28x to the power 4 factor, and downside we have to write 56x factor, because this one divided by this, इसको हमको इससे डिवाइड करना है. So this factor we write the factors of both. Now this 2 and this 2 get cut, this 2 and this 2 also get cut, this 7 and 7 also cut, and this x and x also cut. Now upside 1 2 3, this 3x is left, so we have to write x to the power 3, because they are in multiplication, so power get added, so x to the power 3, and downside only 1 2 is left, because 2 get cut, this 2 is left, so x to the power 3 divided by 2, or half x cube. This is our answer. Okay. Now second one is also same. First find the factor of 36y cube, and then find the factor of 9y square, and then write it in the form of division. So here 2 not cut, this 3 and this 3 both get cut, and 2y also get cut, so left this 2 left, so 2 into 2 4, but here minus sign also, so minus 4, and 1 y is also left, so minus 4y, which is our required answer. Now see question number second. In second question you have divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. Here you have given 2 terms or 3 terms. In first question you have given only single term, monomial divided by monomial, but here many terms are given, like 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x. So first of all we have to find the factors of 5x square, that is x and in bracket 5x minus 3x, then it is divided by 3x, so here x and x get cut, so left 5x minus 6 upon 3. Okay. Then question number third is also same as question number second. Here you have given, work out the following division. So here you have given 10x minus 25 divided by 5. So first we write the numerator 10x minus 25 divided by 5. So numerator factors we find first. So 10x factor, it is 2 into 5 into x, but here minus sign also, so we put here minus sign, then 25 factors 5 into 5 and divided by 5. So in upon also we write 5, but we can't cut 5 and 5 here, or this 5 and this 5 also we cannot cut, because here sign of minus. So first of all you have to take common factor, and after taking common factor we can cut them. So here 5 is common, So we write 5 is outside bracket. So here left 2x. So we write 2x then minus 5. So 5 bracket 2x minus 5, and in denominator we have 5. Now this is in the form of product. अब ब्रैकेट है, ब्रैकेट मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन. अब आप इस 5 को और इस 5 को कट कर सकते हैं, बट यहाँ हम इसको कट नहीं कर सकते थे बिकॉज हियर माइनस साइन इज गिवन. अगर बीच में आपको माइनस या प्लस साइन गिवन हो देन यू कैन नॉट कट इट. ओके, फर्स्ट you take common and then cut. So this 5 and this 5 get cut and left 2x minus 5, which is our answer. Okay, so same way we have to do it other question. But in second one, in first question you have given monomial. Here you have given binomial. So see, let's see how to do it. So 10x, that means 2 into 5 into x minus 25, that means 5 into 5. Now in denominator we have binomial, so we write 2x minus 5, but we know 2x minus 5 already is in factor form, then you can't write it more in the factorization form. That's why we write 2x minus 5 as it is. Now in numerator, upside we can take common. So here common is 5 because 5 is present in both sides. So 5 we take common. Here left 2x. So that come in bracket minus, and 1 5 is left. So 5 bracket 2x minus 5. And in denominator already we have 2x minus 5. Now it is in the form of product. A product form में है. So this 2x minus 5 and this 2x minus 5 both get cut. So left here 5. So 5 is the required answer. Okay. So in this way you have to solve this question. Okay. Now let's see question number 4th. In 4th question you have given divide as directed. Okay, so in this question again first we write the numerator divided by denominator. So this one is the numerator, so we write it upside divided by 2x plus 1. So this 2x plus 1 we write it in the denominator. Now this question is very simple. This is here already they are in the product form because brackets are given. Now ये product form में है तो हम इसे direct cut कर सकते हैं. So here 2x plus 1 and here also 2x plus 1. So this 2x plus 1 and this 2x plus 1 get cut. So left here 5 and in bracket 3x plus 1, which is our required answer. Okay, it's very simple. आपको direct factorize करके दिया है, आपको सिर्फ complete bracket को cut करना है. Okay, same in this question also. Here 13x get cut and y minus 4 also get cut. तो left क्या है? 2y. This 2y is left and this bracket is left. So 2y bracket x plus 5. So in this way you have to solve this. Now last question of this exercise, that is factorize the expressions and divide them as directed. Now here you have given y square plus 7y plus 10 divided by y plus 5. तो बेटा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको क्या करना है, y स्क्वायर प्लस 7y प्लस 10 इसको आपको सॉल्व करना है. अब फैक्टराइज की 4 मेथड्स आपको बता दिए मैंने, तो आपको देखना है कौन सी एप्लीकेबल है. ओके, सो हियर इट कैन बी सॉल्व बाय splitting the middle term. Just now we have seen, so we split it. So 10 factors, 2 factors लेना है आपको 10 के, which are in the form of product. ठीक है, जिसका प्रोडक्ट करने पर आपको क्या मिलना चाहिए 10 और एडिशन करने पर क्या मिलना चाहिए 7. ठीक है, तो ऐसे दो नंबर कौन से होंगे 5 and 2, because 5 2s are 10 and 5 plus 2 7. So we write it here y square first and last term as it is, we split the middle term. So y square plus 2y plus 5y plus 10. Now 4 terms are there. Yes, so we have to use regrouping method. In regrouping we have to take common from first 2 term and take common from last 2 terms. So here what is common? Y is common. So we take y common. Here left y plus 2. Okay. Then here plus sign. So we write plus, and in both 5 is common because 5 2s are 10. So 5 we take common, and in bracket y plus 2. Now both the brackets comes equal, that means y plus 2, and in second bracket we write y plus 5. So this is the solution of numerator. हम ये न्यूमरेटर को पहले सेपरेटली सॉल्व कर रहे थे. सो दैट वैल्यू वी राइट इट अपसाइड, इट कम्स y plus 5 and into y plus 2, and in denominator y plus 5. So this y plus 5 and this y plus 5 get cut and left y plus 2. So y plus 2 is our required answer. Okay. So in this way you have to solve this type of questions. So today you have learned again 2 methods, which is identity method and second one splitting the middle term. So now you have to solve the questions based on all 4 identities. So this exercise also get over. Now in this last question you have the sums based on these identities, splitting the middle term. So now you have to solve this all the sums, and you have to apply this different method of factorization. So that's all for today's video. Now we will meet in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.